Yo, what is up? I looked online and I couldn't find a tutorial for the meep NLS case, how to put it on when your case is fucked off. So I think I'm going to do a tutorial today on how to put this bad boy on the meep NLS Pro. This just came from China last night, so I know what you're thinking. I'm probably infected with coronavirus.
Oh, my juice loosener's never gonna come.
Hey Dad, this came for you in the mail.
I'm not. But, yeah, I don't see any videos on the magical internet device of how to do this. Only how to replace the inner circuitry on the inside. But what if you just broke your case, huh? Then what are you gonna do? Luckily, you have me in your corner. But yeah, let's go outside and take a look. Yeah, this is just going to be a short little video today. It's a pretty simple procedure, but to show you what we're working with today, this is my meep NLS Pro. Don't even get me started on this company. I mean, I'm sure you could see from my other videos that, let's just say we have our fucking differences. The ESC casing is broken off. This circuitry still works. So we're going to attempt to just replace the casing. I'm hoping I don't have to replace these little heat sinks, whatever they are. I can't talk, obviously, you know, I'm retarded. We got our little rinky-dink set of tools here. I have a toothbrush for some reason. Do not ask me why. And yeah, let's just start it up. Make sure it still works before we completely fuck the board off. Okay, so if that doesn't happen after I replace this, you did something wrong. I did something wrong. So yeah, let's get started here and see what's good about this. What I'm doing here is I'm using a skate tool to remove these nuts here. Some of them like to really stay on. See, it really feels like the previous case is like also glued on for some reason. And I don't know why they do that. They like to make your life fucking hard. Everything. You know, that's the MO, usually. Your life is gonna be fucking hard and there's nothing you can do about it. I don't mean to go all black pill on you there for a second, but it's true. So this is glued on. I cracked this going over a curb. It can crack actually pretty easily. Got that piece off. Don't need that anymore, and I got this piece off. Now, this came with a button, a brand new button that's really glued in there nice. I want to see if I could just use this entire component and not have to reuse this. I think what I'm going to do here is just unplug. See, I want to see if the camera can get in here. There's a middle piece, like a middle circuitry piece right there. I forget what you call it. I don't know. I'm tired. It's morning. But yeah, it connects you to the button here, and that powers on the whole ESC. So what I'm going to do is follow it. And we have the broken piece removed, which is good. And now we're going to install you want to line these wires up. These are the wires that go to the hubs, which is your wheels. Want to line them up with this gap right here. And you want to try to make everything snug without unplugging it or tearing it. You know, these wires are kind of weak. You know, Chinese ingenuity, pretty much. The hardest part of this was just getting the part from China. Because, you know, it's a slow turnaround time without coronavirus. So, with coronavirus going on, it took like a month to get this fucking part. Got it. Let's see if you can see it. I don't know if you could see it, but it's a middle piece right there. My middle finger is pointing right to it. And what you would like to do is ultimately maybe hot glue that so it doesn't come undone in the future. I see that's like what they did with this piece. So yeah, we'll try turning it on. Let's see. We got a beep. That's good. Remote is on. Yeah, boy. Alright, so I'm going to pause the camera or put it in fast forward mode or whatever. Just a quick tip, when you're tightening something like this, it really wants to pop off. So I would hold it down with your hand and you bolt them in one side and then do the other. So it's not lopsided. And you could tightly screw it in. Let me see if I could do it while I'm on camera here. Like diagonally, bolt them in. Because maybe when you do it, your attempt will be better, but I've had it off for months simply because it took me forever to get the part. So maybe that has something to do with it. The wires are used to being out. Everything's all done. We're ready to go. We're ready to rock. And let's roll that skate video, shall we?
Like I lost my way, so no loose ends, nothing to see me down. How are we going to work this out? Dreams are bad, our heads are mad. I love the girl, but God only knows it's getting hard to see the sun coming through. I love you, but what are we going to do? I'm a dreamer, I'll take you deeper down to the sleepy glow. Time is low, don't you know? What are we going to do?